Hello, Matt here. Today we start the work on a busted N13. Who would have guessed? So the mission today is to take this engine apart and try to figure out what went wrong. We have no compression on cylinder 2, so yeah, we need to lift the head off. As you can see, I already started marking down and removing all the wiring. I want to move that aside, and once I did that, I'll slowly take things away from the engine until I can lift the head off. Hopefully we'll be able to clean this up a bit because this looks like a mess. But the engine without the electricity actually looks pretty good. It's a simple engine, so I like that. Now for the aircon, that will not be on the car, but it's a perfect location for a power steering pump. So yeah, there's that. Hopefully that will work. Inside the engine, it does look okay, and what makes me happy is the fact that I can remove the head without removing the complete valve train, so there's that. But yeah, before that I do need to remove the turbo. I don't know why I didn't do that already, because yeah, there's no way of getting around it. It needs to come off all these bolts. I think there's a bracket here. And yeah, then we'll see. This is water return. Where's the oil return? This is the oil feed, and the oil return is down there. I guess I'll reach it somehow. I mean, I can also remove the alternator and the aircon compressor because I don't need those. Okay, let's start with the front of the engine. We'll take all of these apart and then switch to the turbo. See that? I didn't do that. Actually, most of the turbo manifold bolts were undone, and this one was broken. So someone was here before me. Either way, looks like... oh no, damn it. Now I have to undo the timing chain, and then I think I can take off the head. This part I know, this part I've done a lot of times. Let's undo the timing chain. This one was nearly dead. That's garbage. We need a new one. All the bolts have been undone, which means I need to take them out, and we are ready to take the head off. Let's do it, and let's see what's wrong with this engine. Unbelievable. But that was what was the problem. Either way, the head is down. What we have here is a hole in a piston. It burned out. And the block, yeah, it could be better. this is a problem because there is also a hole in the cylinder wall, which means this block needs to be re-sleeved, which then means we are getting dartened sleeves. I think they're making sleeves for that block. And after that, we're getting forged pistons, forged rods, and preparing this engine to be ready for around 6, maybe even more. Should be around, yeah, I think they are rated around 150 horsepower per cylinder, so around 600 horsepower. Of course, the car won't have that much because I'm going with a smaller turbo. But yeah, I want the engine, the block, the internals to be the best they can be. But for now, this is it. We are leaving this mess as is. We need to get the parts. And what we are doing is, well, hopefully sorting out the bodywork on that car. Even though now, with this, since I do need new sleeves, and I didn't expect I'll be needing new sleeves, maybe we switch to some other engine. Who knows? Check it out in the next video. Hope to see you then. Bye!